Omega, Omega.
Hello guys, this is Jawad. I hope you're all doing well. Today I decided to create a series of word training videos for people who are in a beginner level. So I will try to keep the videos very short and in a daily basis. Okay, so let's just start and do the today's video. All right, first you need to start the Outlook, and then you click on Outlook shortcut and you open it up. You can search here for any template you want. Okay, you are here, just you can search for any template you want. There are many templates available, but you can search one for yourself. Okay, here you can see the business, event, education. You can just choose a category and search for that. All right, so we said we use a blank document. Okay, so we now have a blank document right here. I have opened two, so I close one of them. From file we start. Okay, so in file we have different options. One is the info. You have the information regarding the current open document. Okay, you can protect this document by encrypting with a password. You just simply come here and you put a password on it. Okay, you click on it and you put the password 2 times and it will encrypt it for you. Or you can restrict edition. You can restrict the access. You need to connect to a right management server, so we don't have such a thing. And you can always to activate the always open ready, open read only. So people, they can watch, they can read it, they can print it, but this option will prevent the accidental changes, like people type accidentally something inside and they save it without knowing that. Okay, without noticing that. So we disable that. Okay, here you have a new, I showed you before. You can choose the templates. You have open. Once you click it, you can see the already open file which you have worked before, or you can just look in your OneDrive if you have one connected. Okay, I have 3 different here. Or you can search this computer, or add a place, or just simply browse it and click on this computer and you can just search for the rest. You can save the document. All right, you can say, you can choose the place once again, and then you say you can use it in save it in OneDrive. You can save it in your I don't know, share words, like in another place, or you can save it locally right here. Okay, and you click on this, or you can browse it and you can choose a place here. You can print the document. Okay, here you will see the actual text. So let me just put something here. Hello world. Okay, so once I go there and I click on print, I see here hello world. Okay, I can here, here's the print option. Like once you click on it, it's going to start printing. Here is number of copy. You can say 10 copy of this or only 1 copy. Okay, here you can choose the printers which you have. Like you can say which printer is yours. Like mine is this one. Okay, which is offline right now. You can here page, have the setting for your printing, like print all the pages, or you say no, I want to print the current page or current page, or you can just kind of make a print selection right here. Okay, or customize the print. You can say like this I want different pages, like page number 1, 3, 4, 2, 9. Okay, it means it's going to only print page 1, 3, 4 to 9. Okay, you can say print on one side or in both sides. Okay, you can see right here, print on both sides. You can collotate this one. You can just put them in a order, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or you want all the ones in ones and all the twos. Okay, print orientation, you want to have it as a portrait, a landscape. The print size, do you want to have a letter size or A4? You can decide right here. And the margin, you can say like how do you want the page to, like the border of the page, where you want the text to be started, right? And the pages per sheet, you can decide like I want 2 copies of this here, like two copies of this on one sheet. Okay, you can decide right here like how many copies do you want to have on one sheet. Okay, there's like a page setup. There's a lot of things to change. You have here the margin. You can say like 1 inch from the left, from right, top, bottom, right here, the type of that. It's kind of advanced setting. Okay, I don't want to make you confused right here. There's another thing here, so we just simply skip this, all right? Because if I tell you, this will make you confused, okay? You have here shared document. You can simply share it with people which you want. You can share them on OneDrive for Business, or Word, or PDF, and send it per email. And you can export the document, okay? You can export it to PDF right here. You can export it to PDF, or you can just go and save as, click save as, and then you can, I want to print it, I want to save it as a PDF right here, okay? You have 2 options. The difference between this one and this one is like this one, if you have any special fonts, which it's hard to find, like they're not standard fonts inside the Word, and you have installed it from somewhere, you received it from a friend and installed on your PC, and you have now typed with that. If you export it, you will kind of save that font with this PDF, so it's kind of integrated inside. Obviously, you can close the Word with that. You have accounts here, okay? You can just, I will hide all of them because they're my personal data right here. You will see your email address, if the Office version is, activated, and so forth. The feedback, you can, like it or not like it. Send a smiley to Microsoft if you want to. And the options, okay? Most of the Microsoft Word options are right here, okay? I will try to explain some of them, not all of them, because they are very complicated. Like some of them I don't know either. Yes, there are a lot to explain in this window, so we keep it for the next time. All right. Tomorrow we will continue with this top. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, please go ahead and click like and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Comments, feedbacks, please leave them below. Thank you very much for investing your time, and have a fantastic time. See you. Bye-bye.
Omega. Woo!